Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the gear. Charge the Marshall headphones and your phone to avoid interruptions. Hold the headphone power button for 2 to 3 seconds until the LED blinks. This puts the unit into pairing mode. Once done, unlock your phone and open Bluetooth settings so the device list is ready. Make sure Bluetooth is toggled on and that any previously connected devices are disconnected. Doing this reduces conflicts and speeds pairing. Next, we'll find and select the Marshall device from the list. Now you put the headphones firmly into pairing mode. Hold the designated multifunction or Bluetooth button until the LED alternates or flashes rapidly. This signals discoverability. Once the light pattern appears, switch to your phone and scan for new devices. You should see a Marshall name appear. Tap it to pair. Sometimes you must confirm a PIN, usually 0000 or 1234. Make sure the headphones stay near the phone, because distance or interference can cause the device. Finish by verifying the connection. Play any audio and ensure the output switches to the Marshall headphones. Make volume adjustments on both devices. Some phones route call audio separately, so check that too. If pairing fails, power cycle the headphones and phone, then use your phone's option to forget the Marshall entry and try again. This clears stale profiles. As a key troubleshooting tip, update headphone firmware or test pairing with another device. That narrows whether the issue is the phone or the headphones themselves.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.